I suppose I wanted to touch on the word authority or the sound authority. Because then the question arises, is there authority in one? Now, there may be some other categories that probably self identify with such a notion, but I suppose, is there authority in one? Now, what is authority? Authority would have to imply an other. But there is no authority in one, because there is no other in one. If authority was to imply one of another. So there's no one of another, there's just one. So is there authority in one? Because if there's not, that form of surrender would have to be connected to a form of order that is completely almost unseen, but yet unknown. It's comforting.